Welcome all SY BSc Computer Science student. Myself Vidya Phanda, your software engineering subject teacher. Today's lecture introduction, syllabus introduction, semester first software engineering course code is 235 and second semester computer network first course code is 245. Syllabus introduction. First of all, go to web browser, then URL bar, type Unipune, www.unipuneac.in, this website. Then click on Syllabi tab here. Click on Syllabi tab. SY Basic Computer Science syllabus change academic year 2020. Revise syllabus from academic year 2020. New syllabus. Click on this link. Then search computer science syllabus here. Here SY BSc Computer Science. Click on this link. Syllabus PDF open here. See SY BSc Computer Science choice based credit system syllabus to implement from academic year 2020-2021. SY BSc Computer Science semester third, first year, semester first and second cover, third semester, second year, total credits 22, course type, paper code, paper title, credits and evaluation criteria. Evaluation. Data structures and algorithm. First, software engineering. This subject, software engineering, practical course code 231 and 232 combined. That means data structures, algorithm and software engineering practical combined. Mathematics first, second, practical course in mathematics, electronics first, second, practical course in electronics, environment first, environment science first and language communication. This is semester third subject. Semester fourth, here data structures and algorithm, second, computer network first, course code 241, data structure 242, computer network. This is practical course combined. Math first, math second, practical course in mathematics, electronic first, second, practical course in electronics, environment science second and language communication. Credit points 2, total CA 15 marks, UE 35, total 50 marks. Each theory lecture, time for SY Basic Computer Science 50 minutes, 3 lectures. Week of 2 credit works. See here, software data structures and algorithm first syllabus here. And then software engineering. Computer science paper second, course code 232, software engineering. Number of credits this course is 2. Examination schema, internal exam 15 marks and university exam 35 marks. Total 50 marks paper. Prerequisite ER modeling, entity relationship modeling, जी तुम्ही डेटाबेस मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टीम रिलेशनल डेटाबेस मॅनेजमेंट मध्ये पाहिलेली. Course objective to get knowledge and understanding of software engineering discipline, to learn analysis design principles of software project development. Course outcome: on completion of course, student will be able to compare and choose process model of software project development, identify requirement analysis and prepare model, prepare the SRS, design document, project plan of given software system. Course content, syllabus here, chapter first, title Introduction to Software Engineering and Process Model. First point, definition of software. Software काय आहे, त्यानंतर nature of software engineering, changing nature of software, software process, the process framework, umbrella activity, process adaptation, generic process model, prescriptive process model, waterfall model, incremental process model, evaluationary process model, concurrent and unified process. प्रोसेस मॉडेल, प्रिस्क्रिप्टिव्ह प्रोसेस मॉडेल दिलेले 5. हा झाला तुमचा फर्स्ट चॅप्टर. सेकंड चॅप्टर, द अजाईल डेव्हलपमेंट. व्हॉट इज ॲजिलिटी, अजाईल प्रोसेस, ॲजिलिटी प्रिन्सिपल्स, पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ अजाईल डेव्हलपमेंट, ह्युमन फॅक्टर्स, एक्स्ट्रीम प्रोग्रामिंग, that means XP values, XP process, industrial XP, adaptive software development, Scrum, dynamic system development model, Agile unified process. This is second chapter. Third chapter, requirements analysis, requirement illustration, software requirement specification, development use cases, UML diagram, unified model language, build the analysis model, elements of the analysis model, analysis pattern, agile requirement engineering, negotiations requirement, validating requirements. This is third chapter, requirement analysis. Fourth chapter, requirement modeling, introduction to UML, structural modeling, use case model, class model, structure model, behavioral model, sequence model, activity model, communication and collaboration model, architectural modeling, component model, artifact model, deployment model. Design concept, design process, software quality guidelines and attributes, evaluation of software design, design concept, abstraction, architecture, patterns, separation of concern, modularity, information hiding, functional independence, refinement, aspects, refactoring, object-oriented design concept, design classes, dependency inversion, design for test, the design model, data design elements, architectural design elements. Then next point, interface design elements, component level diagram, deployment level diagram. This is fifth chapter, design concept. Reference book of this subject, software engineering, McGraw Hill publication 8th edition आहे. त्यानंतर A Concise Introduction to Software Engineering. Next, Unified Modeling Language Reference Manual. This is reference book. Then other subject syllabus here. Software engineering subject, 2 credits, 50 marks course, internal marks 50 marks, internal marks 15 and university 35. Total 5 chapter. First, Introduction to Software Engineering Process Model. Second, Agile Development, Requirement Analysis. Fourth, Requirement Modeling and Design Concept. Next lecture, first chapter start, the Introduction to Software Engineering and Process Model. इथे आपण थांबूयात. Thank you.